This is the Bitty Boomers Spider-Man Bluetooth speaker. Super small, super portable, can fit in your jacket pocket, in your purse, in your work bag, your backpack for school for a kid. It's great. Super small, super portable, super cute. Just turn it on with this button right here. Hold it down for a second. It makes a cool noise like that and then connects to your device. Super easy to use, perfect for kids, adults, anybody. You can attach a little string or lanyard to it to be able to hold it easier right here. I absolutely love this thing, and it packs a lot of power. It's pretty loud for such a small speaker, so it's perfect for any possible need you may have for it. It's great. I love it, and I highly recommend it.